The cleaning cycle cleans the shower screen and backflushes the group head. An on-screen pop-up message saying "Clean Me" will alert you when it's time for cleaning. To begin the cleaning cycle, insert the single-shot basket into the portafilter. Place the gray silicone cleaning disc into the basket. Place the cleaning tablet into the center. Insert and lock the portafilter into the group head. Ensure that the water tank is filled with cold water to the max line and the drip tray is empty. Press the menu button and rotate the select dial until Clean, Cycle, and Push are displayed on the LCD. Press the select dial to start the cleaning cycle. The LCD will display a countdown timer showing the remaining time for the cleaning cycle in seconds. The machine will return to standby mode once the cleaning cycle has finished. Remove the portafilter and ensure the tablet has completely dissolved. If the tablet is not dissolved, repeat these steps until the tablet is completely dissolved. Rinse the portafilter and filter basket and dry thoroughly before using again.